Hey everyone, welcome back to She Tried It. Y'all went crazy for the last sweater I made with Bellish. The views in that video were insane. Thank you so much. Today we're at it again, but this time I got my oldest niece involved. I've seen a few makers create items for kids using the Bellish app, but I rarely see the kid actually in the sweater. If you've ever watched any of my Family Rates My Makes videos, you already know that my oldest niece is super honest. Quite frankly, all the kids in my family are, but this is what my niece wanted. They can't see us. They can't see me. Okay. They can't see what we're doing. Well, whatever. I'm not recording this. Why don't you sit in between us?
Me?
Yeah.
Good. Oh.
Okay. So, we're making a sweater using the Bellish app. Are you familiar? It's a new app. It's free. It's amazing. So we're gonna start a new design. I have something in mind, but I was thinking I would make you a cardigan, like an adult cardigan, but it would be, you know, fitting you.
This.
A beanie. Okay. So I was thinking I'd make you an adult cardigan because when I choose the yarn, I can choose super bulky, and I think that's the only one I can choose super bulky for. And if I get super bulky yarn, it's not gonna take that long. Oh, or I could do this if you want, like
yes.
I
want that one.
Okay. So we're gonna do a drop shoulder sweater. Let's see. Next option. Would you like it to be full length? Would you like it to be full length relaxed? Would you like it to be cropped regular or cropped relaxed?
Cropped regular.
Cropped regular. Okay. The neck portion. Would you like boat neck, crew neck, mock neck, scoop neck, turtleneck, or V-neck?
Turtleneck.
My dad wanted a turtleneck. This.
Boat neck?
Yes.
You would pick something I've never done before. Okay.
Wait.
Are you sure about that?
Wait, what am I wearing right now?
Crew neck.
Crew then.
Okay. Sleeves. Would you like full length, 3/4 length, short, or sleeveless? Keep in mind it's super bulky, so it's gonna be like thicker yarn. Like really thick. Short sleeve? Okay. Embellishments. So keep in mind that I'm very limited on what I'm able to do, but I could do color block 1 or color block 2. I can't really do anything else.
I burnt.
Huh?
I burnt.
That's okay.
How it looks, what color it is, or?
No, if you want it, so if you want like 2 different colors, or if you want like 3 different colors, or if you just want it to be solid colored. 2 colors?
Solid color.
Solid colored? Okay. So the whole thing 1 color. Okay. Gotta be short sleeves. I'll measure you to get this. I left my measuring thing downstairs.
I can tell you, I know what my size is.
Me?
But this is adult sizes. Like I need to measure around you and see.
Me?
Yeah. Can you go get my bag from downstairs, the black one?
Yeah.
Or if you can find the measuring tape, that would be helpful.
Yeah.
Do you know what I mean? So color. This is the big part. So you're gonna have a super thick sweater. 1 second. Let me show you so you know what kind of yarn we're using, because we're using super bulky. I think that you might change your mind. It's gonna look something like this. So like that type sweater. That you want it to be. Thank you.
Gosh,
You brought both bags. Thank you so much.
Welcome.
Can you take this one back down?
No.
It's gonna be that thick. So just want to make sure you know how it looks, and that is gonna be short. So it'll be something like this. No, because you did short sleeves. It can, because that's a crew neck and it's long sleeves, but I just want you to know what it looks like.
Okay, I'm gonna change to long sleeves.
Long sleeve, okay, just making sure. We had a bit of a distraction while we were designing the sweater, but my niece decided on an adult drop sweater with a body that was full length regular, a crew neckline, and full length sleeves. Unfortunately, her aunt is still kind of a beginner knitter, so I couldn't offer her a lot of the fancy embellishments in the Bellish app, but I did say I could add in multiple colors if she wanted it. Thank goodness she did not want it. She just wanted a plain white sweater. We looked through the Michaels app and she chose the yarn Bernat Softy Chunky yarn in the color white, and we headed straight to our local Michaels and picked that up from the store. Like I mentioned before, Obs chose Bernat Softy Chunky yarn in the color white for her sweater. I was shocked at how much I enjoyed working with this yarn. The Bernat brand is under the Yarnspiration family. For those unfamiliar, this yarn is classified as a super bulky yarn. a weight I would never consider for crochet projects, but I will now think twice about for knit projects. This yarn is 100% acrylic, and due to its thick texture, worked up extremely quickly. Like most acrylics, it does have that initial plasticky feel. Typically for acrylic yarns, I opt for steam blocking them. However, this time around, I decided to throw this sweater into the washer and dryer really quick on an extremely light cycle. When it came out, the result was literally one of the softest things I've ever felt in my life. I highly recommend this yarn for anyone needing a thick yarn in their stash. Hey guys, so I just got home from work and I just want to show you the progress that I've made on my niece's sweater. So the sweater, this is where we're at with the sweater. I have the sleeves. I didn't think to measure the sleeve length she wanted, and I asked her over the phone. She was like, oh, I can hold the sleeve like this, and I don't know what that means. So they don't have a measuring tape, or if they do, they can't find it. She's supposed to be coming out here to a kind of my area where I live and to get her hair twisted or braided or something, and I'm gonna go meet her there and have her try it on just to see how long I should make the sleeve. And then I'll go over Sunday after church with the finished sweater, and then I'm gonna take her to like Target and Five Below or wherever she wants to go, and we'll have a little shopping spree so that she can be the one to style the sweater exactly how she wants to style it. Keep in mind it's like 80 degrees outside, so she's not about to like wear this thing now, but she can style it how she'll wear it when it gets cold outside. Just to walk you through everything, I did start at the bottom of the sweater. Also, this kind of fits me. It's very tight, but it does fit me. But I started at the bottom of the sweater with the 2x2 ribbing, very fun. To join in the round, I found a really helpful tutorial that I'll leave in the description box below. But I really liked that tutorial. I don't know what I've been doing before, but I'm not gonna do it again. I'm gonna follow the tutorial that I linked below. I did the 2x2 round for the inches that the pattern said. I think it was 2 inches. And then I just kept going round and round and round for the body. The body is said to go 15.5 inches, I believe. But my niece, like when you think about it, she is a kid, and I don't think that the pattern is written for like a child. I think it's written for an adult woman for like an extra small or 2XL, 2 extra small. So I went, I believe it was 13 inches. I also wasn't able to measure that, but it fits me pretty well. So I just didn't want it to be too long on her. So I made that a bit shorter than the pattern, and that saved me quite a bit of yarn actually. After you do that, then you kind of split for the front panel and the back panel. So this is the front panel, and you kind of do a little, that's not a V-neck, but a down, straight across, up thing. And then the back is just straight across. And then I seam together at the shoulders. And then I just attached on the sleeves, and I've been knitting up the sleeves. And again, I don't know the length, but once I get down to the end of the sleeve, I will add the 2x2 ribbing. Oh, and after I finish the panels, I attach the collar, the 2x2 ribbing on the collar. And I use the Jenny's stretchy bind off method that I'll also link below if you're not familiar with that. But it's a way for you to bind off where it gives a little bit of stretch. I'll also use that on the end of the sleeves. Hopefully the next time you see this, I'm not sure if I'm gonna record her trying it on where I get the sleeve measurements, but you'll definitely get to see the process of us going to Target and her kind of styling it and figuring out how she wants to wear it. And I'm really, really excited because it's super cute. I think the white color was a perfect choice, so I'm very happy that she chose that. At first I was a little bit skeptical, but now I'm like, okay, yeah, this is great. So I can't wait for her to see it. But yeah, I'm loving the app, no issues whatsoever. I do feel, and maybe because this is a bit of a simpler way to construct a sweater, but I do feel like there were way more details on the raglan version than there are on this version, which I thought it was gonna be a panel for the front, a panel for the back, and then the panel for the sleeves, then you knit the collar. So it's a different construction than I was expecting. It's not hard at all. You know, I think that they really do hold your hand as you're going through the raglan, and there's not as much hand holding with this one, which is totally fine because it's very beginner friendly. I will admit that I do want to make one for myself. I never thought that I'd like super bulky yarn, but I could totally see me making a cardigan with this. But I really like how this is turning out, and I will follow up with y'all later. Once the sweater was completed, I took my niece on a mini shopping spree at Target for items to style her new sweater. She's been addicted to rings lately, so that's what was on her radar during this shopping trip. She ended up finding a ton of stuff she loved and put some back once she saw the price when we were checking out. I appreciate her for that. Look at the prices. $14.99. These are $16.99. $19.99. $19.99. $19.99. You picked the most at $19.99, $12.99, $12.99. Explain to us why you got what you got.
Because I love jewelry.
So why'd you get this one?
Because, wait, I didn't get this.
No, the necklace.
Oh, because I love jewelry.
Okay, that's just the answer for all of them?
Yeah, and I love rings, and I've always really wanted to get them. And then this, I've always wanted to really cross stuff, and I've always wanted cross earrings. These I don't really want, but I mean,
You have to get them.
yeah. You know what? Never mind.
Okay.
So I love
get the
rings. Oh, I got the jeans because I love matching white with black. And then I'll probably wear my white Air Forces.
Ooh, it's gonna be cute. Let's go home. My niece now has her sweater, so it's not with me today. Thankfully, I was able to complete this project by her birthday, so she got it as a bit of a birthday gift as well. Thank you so much to Bellish for sponsoring another video and for letting me get my niece involved. If you've made an item using the Bellish app already, let me know what you made in the comments below. And if you want more details on the Bellish app, check out my last video I did where I made a top for myself. See you on my next video. Bye! Okay, so on a scale from 1 to 10, how do you rate me as an aunt?
10.
Good answer, correct. Now, as I told you before, name the 10 things that you like about me being your aunt. Or 10 things you like about me.
Okay. Number 1, you know me
Beautiful, yes.
and everything about me. Number 2, you were here my whole childhood and you didn't like leave or anything.
You're welcome.
Number 3, you give me what I want.
That's actually a problem.
Number 4.
Number 4,
You actually listen to me
you're welcome.
and you take me places. Number 5, you come to my things and you're not late half the time.
Actually, am, but you don't notice.
Number 6, right?
Uh-huh.
Number 6, you love me and my family. Number 7, you... Wait, you already said you give me what I want.
Yeah, no repeats. You can't think of any more?
No, I can't.
Okay, keep going.
For my birthday, you try to do... you try to do your best to make me happy. This is number 6, right?
Only on your birthdays I try to make you happy?
No, all the time.
Oh.
This is 6 or 7.
6.
You try to do your best to make me happy. Number 7. 7, so 3 more. Number 7, you... Number 7, you are not mean. I'm actually glad you're not mean.
You're welcome.
Number 8, you give me my privacy. You're not...
Stop doing that.
It might stop all the time. Number 9, you are picky. And I like that.
What am I picky about?
No, you're not picky. I'm just joking.
Oh, okay. So repeat number 9. What am I?
Number 9, I love how you get me and stuff. I didn't say that, right?
Get you in stuff? What do you mean?
I mean like how you get me. Like
Oh,
get me.
understand. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
That's a new one.
Number
Okay.
9, you understand me. And number 10, last one. Number 10, you are just a best aunt. And like I couldn't ask for any other Teary. I mean,